good with it? Today's my day off and shit. I'm trying this motherfucking nature walk again. You know what I'm saying? Cuz told me so. My surroundings, I should go to this motherfucking Subway. I should go to this motherfucking Subway. I don't feel like spending no money right now. I spend it tomorrow. I'm gonna go in this house and make something though. I was thinking about stopping at this Subway though. That shit don't sound too bad. A nice little sub with a hit for sure. I'm thinking about doubling back. I ain't gonna do it. I'm thinking about doubling back to that Subway. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, I'm thinking about doubling back. Yeah, I think I gotta go back. Nah, I'm gonna eat at the crib. Nah, I'm gonna just eat at the crib for the rest of this month. Stack that cheese. No more shopping out. No more shopping out. I done had enough fun. Y'all know where I'm at. Drop the dot. Taking this quick little nature walk real quick. Yesterday I recorded me going to the store. Today I'm recording coming from the store. I don't know. Yeah, I'll just be trying to make sure I got a video. You know what I'm saying? I keep seeing this truck, bruh. I'm gonna end up flipping that shit. Like, what's the issue? But yeah, though, that's in my quick little nature walk. Y'all stay tapped the fuck in.